Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Ignore the hair. I had a shower last night and I just let it dry like this, and now it's gone all weird. But I'm at my mum's. We are having a barbecue. The first barbecue of 2026. Although it doesn't look like it's good barbecue weather. It's a bit cloudy. But either way, it's still warm, so we're going to have one. We've set up the gazebo, and we've got the family coming around. You've got the kids, so this should be an exciting vlog. But as you know, my vlogs don't always plan out well, so we'll see. You saying hello? Hey? Hey, you saying hello? Say hello. Hey. Paw. Paw. Paw, come on. You know how to do it, paw. 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 Leia, come on, you know how to do this. You do it all the time. Paw. Paw. You just embarrassed me. Okay, so I am currently in the garden. The sun did come out for a little bit, but it's gone back behind the clouds. But this is our barbecue setup. We look like we're about to start a meeting. But got the gazebo up just in case it does start raining. I'm actually confident it's not going to rain. Like I said, it's still warm. It's just cloudy. So everyone's gone out to Tesco's to get what we need. So I'll do more vlogs. More vlogs? More vlogging when everyone's here. See you at the barbecue. Look who's here.
32 screws.
Oh God! Ugh. No, hang on. There you go.
No, it's made by Firefood. You know,
Setting up the barbecue.
Laura's eating her.
Hello, darling. Hi, baby girl. Hi.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
I don't know what I was saying. Oh,
Setting up the barbecue.
setting up the barbecue.
I want to go.
We've still got to wait for everyone else to get here, but yeah.
Can I have a full?
I'll come back later because everyone's just talking.
Erin.
Laura, do clapping?
Hey Laura, can you do the clapping? Yeah. Can actually do it. No, she's just chewing her finger. They're both
Hello. We did. What? You got a baby? Ah, baby asleep? Okay, shh, baby's asleep. That's what having nieces is all about. If a niece gives you a sleeping doll, you take it. You take.
Baby's asleep.
I know, baby is. Okay. Okay. Jordan's the one with her, not me. I am back home, as you can see. Currently getting some love from the cat. Gonna end the vlog here. That was our little barbecue vlog. I don't know how long this is going to be, to be honest, but I'm still going to post it because I want to start getting back into vlogging more often. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. and I will catch you on the next vlog. Bye for now.